Hi, this is R with T&R Reacts. T is out about, basically he's working and in the process of getting himself a new vehicle later on this week, so he's all anxious about doing that. But you know what? We decided we got to move ahead and do some more reactions, and our reaction recently that we did with Niki is really blowing up the channel called Loose, and now we're going to do another one from her new Moonchild album, and it's called Switchblade, and this one too has been blowing up the charts, so we're anxious to do it. Now, make sure you haven't done so already, just subscribe to our channel and make sure that you do some likes, and we're going to go up to 30 likes on this reaction video since the other one was so popular. So without further ado, let's do a reaction to Switchblade from her Moonchild album. You can already see, you know, this is, even though it's kind of like a fairy tale type of song, the production values in this thing is just huge. And, you know, Niki, you know, just, you know, barely being 21 years of age, you know, this is not so much like a coming of age video, but it's just basically like a young person getting ready to hit the world and explore all the new adventures out there. And, you know, Niki Savannah is just, she's just killing it with this song now. And you gotta love, like I said, how she, you know, just kind of like takes control of everything. The other thing that was kind of cool about this video, you know, where it said, like, you know, Niki starring as Moonchild, it's kind of like a mini movie, and that too is something that I found was kind of interesting, the way that they produced this video. You notice the tattoo on her shoulder there? That was kind of cool. You know, even though this thing's loaded with visual effects, you can still kind of see the bottom meaning of what is really out there in this exciting new world that I've never seen before. My new adventures, and what am I going to actually see and do? It's kind of cool.
The night is young and it's wild, and I feel like a child on the corner of a mountain, and a cookie going for miles. I don't know what's coming next, I feel it buzz in my legs, but heaven knows that I'm quick on my feet and good with a blade and some old-fashioned faith in a place like this. Feeling bulletproof and far from faces I don't miss. So many brand new risks to take, and I'm feeling brave. The winds of change are nothing on the switchblade. I'll take it to my grave. Line and silver.
You know, when you hear the title Switchblade, you know, this is just me. You know, I know Niki herself has actually kind of done her own basic reaction to the video itself, but you know, when you're watching this and you think of Switchblade, you're thinking more of a darker type of a theme to this, and here she's basically saying, she has a blade to protect herself as she goes out and is growing up and getting ready to step out into this big wonderful world that we have with all the imagination that she has. With this video as Moonchild, it still kind of like hits you like, I need that protection. You saw those animals kind of snarling at her earlier. Still, even though I'm going out there, I'm scared a little bit. I don't know what's really out there, and I've got my blade to protect me, and you can kind of see it there. But she doesn't really emphasize so much the the dark side of the switchblade and tearing somebody up.
Line and silver, grass is greener, and I'm on my way. Brightest flicker, ain't no quitter, I'll be here to stay. Line and silver, grass is greener, and I'm not afraid. 'Cause I'm running with a switchblade. Line and silver, grass is greener, and I'm on my way. Brightest flicker, ain't no quitter, I'll be here to stay. Line and silver, grass is greener, and I'm not afraid. 'Cause I'm running with a switchblade.
Wow, that is just really, it's a fun video, imaginative, and, full with so many visual effects. I just love this. Niki Savannah, better known as just Niki, from Jakarta, Indonesia, and she is just blowing up the charts over there and over here as well now. She's starting to really make a big name for herself at such a young age, and that is really cool. All right, Moonchild, and this was from her album Moonchild, and this was entitled Switchblade. Hey, if you like our caps, our t-shirts, our coffee cup mugs, we do sell them at our store. The address is below there on the screen. Make sure that you jump on over to there and hit it, and everything that you get there helps support our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We were going for 30 likes on this one, and Niki, Switchblade. Hope you enjoyed it. Until then, we'll see you on the other side. Take care.